Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking for You. Are you looking for the easiest and finest recipe for making biryani? So you are at the correct channel. Today we are going to show you how to make the easiest, yummiest Hyderabad biryani. So let's get into the video.
Let us begin with the simplest way of making Hyderabadi chicken biryani. Here we need rice. Add water to rice and soak it for 30 minutes. In other pan, add water, add bay leaves to it, cloves, cinnamon and cardamom to it, Shajeera to it, strain anise to it, green chilies and salt to it. Now close the lid and let it come to a boil. Add lemon juice in the middle. Ghee, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Close the lid and when it starts boiling, add soaked rice into it. And now when the rice come to boil, make sure that you check it often and give it a shake from below to up. I'm sure this must give a very good fragrance. We want the rice to cook even from all the sides, so that's why we must keep stirring out it from up and down so the rice to get cooked evenly each and every rice plate. Now the rice is not cooked completely, it's half cooked. Now we will take it off, and now we are taking chicken, 250 grams of chicken, adding turmeric powder it, chili powder to it, salt to it and ginger and garlic paste to it, coriander powder and curd. Fried onions, deep fried onions. Now mix it well. Make sure you give it a very good mix. And each and every piece of the chicken must be filled up with this batter. Fried onions give super crunchy taste in the mid. Add a bit of water if you feel so. And now at the last, add ghee to it. Let it marinate for 1 hour. And after that, take a pan, add ghee to it, add oil to it, add cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and marinated chicken to it. Make sure you be careful that it should not get burnt. Mix it thoroughly. And when it starts boiling and when the masala leaves the oil, make sure you remove the oil from it, because we are going to use this again in later. So this oil we need to remove it off. And when our chicken is being half cooked, take it into a separate pan. Not all of it, half of the quantity, and we are going to add rice into it, half of the quantity. Again, we are going to put some fried onions over and coriander leaves over. And now we are using that removed oil in a separately, we are garnishing over the rice and again adding rice, chicken as a layered one. Adding chicken above rice, chicken and above rice with the quantity how much we are having. Again using the mint leaves, coriander leaves and fried onions and the oil which we took off before. In this way the chicken and rice will get mixed and get cooked properly. Close the lid and keep it for a simmer for 10 minutes. Add ghee in the mid. This way the super duper easy chicken biryani recipe is ready.
Wow, the yummiest Hyderabadi biryani is ready to eat. Is your mouth watering? So go make this recipe and give it in the comment that have you made it and how was it. So see you again with some more recipes. So make sure you like our channel, share it and give it a subscribe. Thank you. See you again.